Environmental and social changes are negatively impacting the sustainability of water resources throughout the Mediterranean regions. Water resource issues are larger in the southern Mediterranean, but some northern countries, such as Spain, are experiencing scarcity issues due to agricultural techniques and increases in urbanization. Located between the Sahara Desert and the northern mid-latitude, the Mediterranean has a distinct hot, dry summer and a cool, humid winter. The Mediterranean region covers parts of 3 continents: Africa, Asia, and Europe. Many global changes are driving the water quality and quantity issues in the Mediterranean. The climate is altering the water budget because of land cover change. The increase in population and tourism is causing the increase in agriculture and urban development. These drivers alone have ultimately changed water availability and quality throughout the Mediterranean. Scientists call the Mediterranean region the hot spot of climate change because the large seasonal variation in temperature and precipitation and the predicted increase in temperature and decrease in precipitation. Depending on what climate model used, a 1 to 6 degrees Celsius temperature increase is projected to occur in the next century. The impacts of climate change are prolonged droughts, which decrease the quantity of water resources. Agriculture is the leading driver to land cover change throughout the Mediterranean. Over the past 50 years, agricultural techniques have degraded the soil and water resources. More than 80% of water consumed is for agricultural purposes. With an increasing population, agriculture has been increased for food production. Climate change scenario studies can help predict the amount of water resources available in the future. Understanding that future water resources are drastically going to reduce, alternative ways to reuse water are important to adopt. New technologies to reuse water have taken place in the Mediterranean, but education and participation from the user is crucial for success. Desalination technologies and new irrigation technologies such as precision irrigation can be used in agricultural practices to conserve water consumption. Many coastal Mediterranean areas are part of the Mediterranean Action Plan, or MAP. The MAP is not strictly focused on water conservation, but environmental conservation for touristic sites. With this environmental management in progress, tourist water conservation may increase over the next few years. If population growth and an increase in agriculture continue, more areas will be prone to degraded water. Water and drought managements need to work together to construct a risk management framework to warn the public about the availability of water resources. Alternative ways to reuse water need to be adopted by farmers for irrigation techniques. Education and cooperation is essential from all Mediterranean countries, institutions, and locals to overcome the water scarcity issues throughout the Mediterranean.